Hi, this is Kevin Mitchell from Bennett GM. Thanks for your inquiry on the 2013 Chevy AValanche. I'm just going to walk you around the vehicle and show you a bit. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 engine, and it's got low kilometers for 2013, only 106,000 kilometers. Just take you inside with the running boards. Wheels. Comes with the cover. In the back here, sorry, it's a little bright out here. Tough to see in there. Those chrome finishes. Get a better view here. Back up a little bit. Show you the back real quick. So the interior is in really good shape, as you can see.
Hey babe.
Whoever had it took care of it.
Lots
of room in the back. Just jumping up front, and then I'll get out of your hair here. So you got power windows, locks, all your hands-free options, your cruise control. Turn that radio down. Your hands-free radio and your calling, and it's a pretty cool feature here. When I put it in reverse, when you go up, it pops up in your rear view mirror. So it's a nice safety feature, and it's a little easier than looking down, actually. So there's the front. You got a big center console with tons of storage. Yeah. Hopefully that gives you a better idea, and I'll get this email out to you as soon as I can. Thanks.